So I wanted to make a quick video today. Looked like the bias was up all morning. Well, not all morning, but till about 8:30. And then at about 9:30, we formed this double top and sold off. And we did break below the overnight lows. And so I'm guessing we're testing this uh, level of support. Or yeah. So um, there's the 17,000 tick chart. We closed this gap early on. Um, that actually could have been yesterday, but anyway, this is the daily chart. This is something I wanted to look at. Uh, it's reasonable to expect a sell-off, and it's reasonable to expect a huge sell-off of the S&P. We could drop 270 points just to test this low. Um, Here's the monthly chart or the weekly chart. So what was looking like it was going to be, it's only 11:45, so a lot can change, but it was looking like a going to be another bull week with a higher low. And the monthly chart, same thing. It's gonna close. Yeah, it's gonna close as a bull bar. If you're looking at this as the channel, we'll get a close inside the channel. Uh, so that's that. Uh, and now we should probably take a look at this. So yesterday we did break out and pull back right after we gapped up. And so I think it's safe to go for a measured move. That's exactly where we went. Um, and a little bit beyond that, and we made a double top and sold off. So I'll chart this as I go through it. So we were in this triangle, um, broke out and pulled back, and then we got two dojis. So they couldn't go higher, so they took it a little lower, and then they reversed it. Um, I think it's too. I guess it makes sense that it's too early to go short here, especially after you get a strong bull leg. Expect like maybe a better test of this high, a stronger test of this high. And we get it, and it looks like it's forming some strong resistance here. But eventually the bulls just blow through that. So this is just sideways stuff, unfortunately. I mean, it looks good. Like right here, you get a little second entry long, but you're going into this level of resistance. So you just got to be careful. You get this failed second entry short here, but you're going into new highs. I mean, maybe you take it. It's a strong, very strong bull bar. Maybe you take it to try and ride it to the highs. And then here you get a second entry long off of the trend line and EMA. Second entry, oh no, that's actually a third entry, but not a good signal bar anyway. You got a higher low here. I'm not crazy about it at this point going into the highs. And then we get the sell-off. And so, I got trapped in here because it's gonna, or you're gonna be confident that it's gonna test the highs. Um, so I took this higher low, I think, and got stopped out. Uh, but I mean, if you draw your channel, it makes sense. You barely get a break, move to a new low, two legs to a new low. That's perfect price action according to how Mac teaches it. And then we get a reversal. So if you took this higher low, this is the first clear break to me. So I mean, maybe that's why you could look at that as a little early. Plus, you got two strong bull bars, but then you get a doji. Big bull bar here, but that's an inside bar. Higher low here. Maybe this one. Maybe you take this as a failed second entry short. And then yeah, that forms this double top and it reverses. Pretty strong move down. Made a new low below this low over here. Get like a two-legged pullback. Big move. I'm not crazy about this, but you know, after this, make a new low, very strong bear leg. You're going into the lows here, but that's looks like a two-legged pullback. To me, this looks like it's probably the channel. You get that double overshoot that I was talking about yesterday, and we get a pullback. Got a little broad bear channel right here. This one's super high risk, but I mean, if you feel confident, you can go for uh I should say it's super low probability, but you know, 99.25. Risk 4 points, you definitely would get 8 here. So that's something to think about. You could look at this as a double top, failed second entry, two-legged pullback. Uh, but you're going into support, so potential support. You could consider this one. And we get the overshoot, and we just go sideways, and uh, yeah. So I just wanted to quickly review it before I get out of here today. Hope everyone had a great day. Hope everyone has a great weekend. I'll be back Monday.